Welcome to the Riz Vlogs. We have another big day today. That's my cousin Gavin. I hope he looks like me. अरे फकत तेगे माझी हाड व्हड जावन तेगे केंस व्हड जालते मागीर तो मरे सियारा वता रे स्टेज इन कोल्ड कंट्रीज डू यू नो ice collects on the air तेका लागून welcome back. We are the mall right now. We didn't go to Polvaram because shortage of petrol, ladies and gentlemen. Take the money factor into consideration. But right now we are in Kakulos. Bro, what happened to him, bro? Break. Happy birthday, Gavin. We are gonna try to climb this accelerator which is supposed to come down. I hope they don't throw us out of the mall, but it's okay. It's fine. We are vloggers. Yeah, that thing went wrong. So I am showing you the video where the right accelerator is going on top. Rohan, we were just trying to do the climb up accelerator challenge on the other side. Yeah. But there was that lady who said to us. I felt very sad. What to do? Because असं रे बा गुरी
कहाँ है मुंडा हमें वो इतनी का वाट देता
कौन जाता
वाट देता
वाट is
where we stand the road start from there.
Oh. To talk about Nishit is a science student. Nishit, how do you feel roaming with art stupid people like us?
You're a great guy.
No, bro. Having Nishit in the vlog makes my vlog a science vlog right now. I can define mass and gravity at every moment. What is air? It's a mixture of calcium and sodium and potassium. Magnesium. Oi? Hey? Era calcium masta? Everyone just brought something very interesting. Baba, kitne sangshi bitar kitne ha? Pion ka hota lekin. Rajesh, chocolate par gil do. Ladies and gentlemen, give her. Come on, Teros. Oh, that's what the strongest man is because. Come on, follow the. Amay! Oh! Wow, top, see. Did you see that cycle over there? Yeah. For what is that, bro? Why does it have lights, bro? Don't touch it, it'll fall down, bro.
It's for Christmas, you know.
Oh. Saresh Babu, bowling is a very peaceful sport. आमच्या भाषेत नु There's preference there. We're gonna try bowling. Actually, I've never done that before, so it's probably the first time. But this guy's really experienced, so we're going with him. And we just found out that this game is for the poor because it has shoes for sale. Whoa, I love it. Why you gotta be so rude? Oh! Oh! Hey, not was I there? Oh!
Not that. Don't chance. Not that.
Next. Whoa! Believe in the ball.
Hey, light,
bro. Camera was good. That's the last time in history.
जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो अपने रिजवन ने स्ट्राइक नहीं किया, अभी दूसरी बार वो स्ट्राइक कर रहा है। अब उसको गौर को देखो, गौर से देखो,
गौर से देखिए इस चेहरे को।
वो लाडू जैसा खेलता है ऐसा।
First like this, step like this.
2,000 years later.
वो लाडू अरे
3, 2, 1, do it!
दोनों तरफ बोले, दोनों तरफ बोले।
I feel extremely glad, honored, proud that after such long history, we did this. We did it. And then we ended. Rajesh won the game. Score. The Rajesh is 97. Trevor was high first, but he is 95. It's okay, just 2 point difference. But still. Bye. I played well, even though I lost. Losing is never a matter. The matter is when you're crushed by Hulk.